Yo guys, we're back on the channel. I've not been doing many videos lately because Corona, and I can't be bothered. But I'm gonna try and make videos that are more than 10 minutes long. But that's the plan for today because I'm building a new compound. So, build a new compound, which will have a big railing which is 11 foot tall and a jump which will go into a 7.5 foot kicker. So I'm just walking over there now to show you. The landing is 6 foot tall, and so far we just need to move all this mulch onto them doors and things. So we've got all this to put on there for a good landing. It's a very nice day. Very nice. We've got to move all this soil here. So that's around 7.5. No, that's 6 foot. That is 6.5 foot tall at the moment, but we're going to put that a foot in the ground and then more, and then a foot on the end there. So then it'll be a 7.5 foot kicker to practice tricks. We have poles over here sticking in the ground. Me and my gramps have concreted them in the ground, and it's going to be at the top. This deck here, as you can see, will be right up there, and that'll be an 11 foot tall railing which will go down onto a real long railing, because honestly I can't be bothered to dig, so I'm just going to make the railing as far as possible. I'll go down there, all the way up that, on there, and I'll be doing that on my new jump bike, and I've put some new parts on, DMR, bars and stem, and pedals, which I've got from a different bike, so it's looking very stealthy. So that is the plan. I want to do a little bit of digging, not much, and then I might have some little tips for digging with spade. Well, one tip, that's about it. My birthday's coming up soon, 1st of December. I'm going to get some new ODI army green grips, so to be a bit more on the handlebars, and that's it. Let's get into it. So, here's the shed. Oh. Which spade was it that I'd sharpened and need sharpening a bit more? Oh. I think this was it. If not, then I'll have 2 sharpened spades. So let's get into the garage. Oh, I'm in the garage now. Here's the bars. We've got some DMR bars, stem, grips, and pedals. So these are DMR V12 magnesium ones. So it's looking very stealthy. So let's get into sharpening this spade. Sure. Oh. Let's go in, put it on the floor. So we've done that. We've just given a good edge on it. That is pretty sharp. Let me just give it an old check. Oh my god. Jesus. Don't want to poke anyone with that. What should we do next? Do I need to... I think that's it. So basically this tip was just sharpen your spade and it'll make it so much easier to get it into the ground and just cut through soil like clay, which is what my field basically is made of. So let's go turf some ground and get it ready for putting a rolling up, which will probably be in the next video, or the same video if I make this one long, which I'm hoping to make it like 10 minutes long. So yeah, let's get into it. Whoa!
It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16 buff in the dark. It's a 16.
So yeah, I'm in the garage. Got the beast behind me. Just get some shoes on. A bit muddy in my far tents because I used them to dig in. But yeah, I'm just gonna find a place to. So you will do it, yeah. So yeah, we're here on a bike. I'm not sure if the sides will look a bit like round because it is on super view. Just tilt you up a bit. And I'm just gonna do some tricks. I'm not sure what that sound is, but I'm definitely losing out back tire. Just because I've got, yeah, this is tubeless. Front one's got tubing. Might change it. Yeah, I'll end it there. Subscribe. Put a link to another video up here. Subscribe here. We'll see you in the next one.